This equity blueprint is literally so easy that even a 7th grader can understand this. And I just wish कि पास में किसी ने मुझे हैंड ओवर कर दिया होता तो मेरे बहुत सारे एफर्ट और टाइम बच जाते. So I basically started my investing journey 2 years back, and at that time I had no one to guide me and I literally had no plan कि कैसे start करना. I just started. So throughout this 2 years I was able to learn this mechanism, and I just wish कि भाई किसी ने मुझे बता दिया होता. It would help me make twice what I have right now. So the problem is there are two category of advisors. Group 1 जो बोलते हैं तुम फंडामेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्लू चिप कंपनीज लो और उनको जब तक तुम मरो ना तब तक होल्ड करके रखो and it will make you money. And I don't think so that's the smart choice क्योंकि ये timing matters. And then there is group B जो बोलते हैं just read the chart patterns bro and it will tell you the whole story. So as per my observation, fundamentals alone won't make you money and the technicals alone won't save you. So you need both of them क्योंकि fundamentals tell you what to buy and technicals tell you when exactly to buy. So you need a combination of both of them to make a good portfolio and it will just enhance your portfolio results overall क्योंकि तुम्हें ये भी पता है तुम्हें क्या चीज़ बाय करनी है एंड कब बाय करनी है. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू आउटलाइन द पार्ट्स दैट यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन. बट इफ़ यू नीड अ प्रैक्टिकल ब्रेकडाउन कि भाई तुम कैसे प्रैक्टिकली फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस और टेक्निकल एनालिसिस को प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ टूल्स, सो जस्ट ड्रॉप अ कमेंट एंड आई विल मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट टू. So coming back, let's break down what is fundamental analysis. So when you invest in a company, you just don't look at the logo or the name of the company. You need more. You need the information about the company, how practically strong the company is, and how strong is the business of the company. So majorly fundamental analysis में 5 चीज़ें होती है. First is the financial statements. Financial statements are basically P&L में हमें पता चलता है कंपनी कितना प्रॉफिट कमा रही है and what is the current state of the business. And then there is quarterly results. It is a smaller form of the P&L जो तुम quarterly basis पे तुम्हारे पास आता है. And then there is a balance sheet जो तुम्हें कंपनी की overall growth के बारे में overview देता है. Then there is cash flow. It will help you to monitor कि भाई कंपनी का कैश कहाँ पे यूज होता है. Then there is industry and competition कि भाई कंपनी कौन से सेक्टर में बिलोंग कर रही है एंड व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ द कंपटीशन. इज इट अ मार्केट लीडर और इज इट जस्ट अ नॉर्मल कंपनी जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सर्वाइव. देन देयर इज वैल्यूएशन रेशियोज एंड देन देयर आर इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स जैसे इंटरेस्ट रेट, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज. एंड देन देयर इज मैनेजमेंट में एक्चुअली हेड्स कौन है, उसमें उन लोगों के पास एक्सपीरियंस कितना है. So the main points are the upper 3 and the last one is the cherry on the cake. You just need to know if the company is fundamentally strong or not and is the sector going to work. And for the most part, India is a developing country and I think all the sectors will work in the next 10 to 20 years. Some will not, but most of them will. So I don't think so you need to worry that much about the economic factors. So even if you have figured out the best fundamentally strong stock, but if you enter at the wrong time, you can still lose money, and that's where technical analysis comes in to rescue you. So to keep it simple, technical analysis basically हमें help करता है in understanding at what time to buy and what time to sell the stock that you are going to invest in. And exit strategy is the most underrated thing that most investors fail to understand, and it's a really important thing क्योंकि most people don't make money because they don't have an exit strategy. क्योंकि mostly लोग stocks तो buy कर लेते हैं but they don't know at what time to exit the stock, and that's where technical analysis helps you to understand that. So technical analysis में basically हम past का जो data है उसको analyze करते हैं and it helps to understand कि future में क्या हो सकता है basically. And तुम्हें बहुत सारे indicator, RSI, moving averages, बॉलिंजर बैंड, इन सबको सीखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तुम्हें सिर्फ की सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस पता होना चाहिए कि वो क्या होता है एंड यू विल बी ऑल गुड टू गो. मेजरली तुम्हें चार्ट इंटरप्रेट करना आना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स एंड दैट्स व्हाट विल मेक यू मनी द लॉन्ग टर्म. यू डोंट नीड अ लॉट ऑफ इंडिकेटर्स, लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेटजीज टू मेक मनी. You just need a few of them and master them and I think it will be more than enough to make you money in the long term. So to sum it up, here is the blueprint. Screen with the fundamentals, buy quality stocks, and then use technical analysis to understand कि भाई कब stock buy करना है and कब sell करना है. And in this way you will minimize the risk and maximize the profits, and that's how you actually make money, not from tips or advices from people. So some common mistakes that people tend to do are buying based on tips, rumors, or advices, or from the news. Don't do that. Just don't do that. And one more thing that people tend to do is they don't sell a fundamentally weak stock. अगर कोई stock बहुत ज़्यादा degenerate हो गया अपनी value में, don't hold that shit. Just get rid of it, क्योंकि भाई it is really very painful to see that stock going lower and lower. I am telling you from my own experience. I have done this once. Don't do this. Just don't do this. One more thing, don't trade without a plan. क्योंकि अगर तुम्हारे पास एक प्लान रहेगा, तुम्हारे पास पेशेंस रहेगा, and you'll be able to understand the market movements, and you'll be able to manage your greed and fear. So by using this blueprint, I am pretty sure that you'll be ahead of 90% of the traders, and you'll make a lot of money in the times to come. Just अपने greed और fear पे control रखना. Patience is the virtue in the stock market. And please smash a like button if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel for no bullshit content in the future.